What is up, you guys? Well, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you 4 looks using the new Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. This is one of her new palettes that just released not that long ago. I think it was during the summertime when she released this. And let me show you the inside. It is absolutely beautiful. This one actually caught my eye more than the Sunset palette. I guess because looking at the Sunset palette, you're like, I have a million eyeshadow palettes that have that same color scheme, the same shadows. And for some reason, when I saw this one, I felt like it was more red tone, more berry tone. I don't know, it just drew my eye a lot more and I have no regrets. So this one is $65. It's a lot cheaper than her bigger standard eyeshadow palette. So this is actually a new thing for Natasha Denona to come out with a palette that comes in an in-between size, because I have here for reference, this is the $25 ones that she has in her line already. She has a couple of them already, and as well as these are like the standard shadow sizes, but these little palettes, they are $45 or $48. I'm not sure. I will leave it up here somewhere. I can't remember the top of my head, but this one comes with 5 shadows. I think this palette is a great in-between, as far as it's not the $25 shadow pan size and it's not the original like standard size eyeshadow pan. It's like right in between, and it gives you 15 shadows for $65, which is such a steal in comparison to her bigger eyeshadow palettes, which are like $125. Like, girl, I don't got that coin, you know what I mean? So when I picked this up, I was like, okay, it's not a splurge, but at the same time, it's not a, what's it called, an investment, you know what I mean? So I think for the price, it's definitely worth giving it a shot, especially if you're new into trying Natasha Denona palettes. But as well, there is the option of the $25 ones, and then there's the $45 ones. So it's up to you guys what you prefer, but I honestly think that this one is worth a shot. So pretty much I really enjoyed this palette. I try to use every single eyeshadow for all 4 looks, so I hope you guys like them. The formula, it's very different. I'm not sure how to explain it. They are pigmented, but they do take a while to build, in my opinion. I'm pretty new to using Natasha Denona. Like, you know, can you sense a theme? I have like a purple obsession, obviously. But other than that, the formulation, it's very different from any eyeshadow palette or eyeshadow that I've ever tried. It's very creamy. Like the mattes, they're very creamy, but they're very pigmented. They just take a little bit of time to build and a little bit of blending. It's just a new formula that I'm like not used to usually. And as well as the shimmers. The shimmers, to me, they're very pretty, but they're more like toppers in my opinion. They do take some time to build as well, and I feel like the more pigmentation you get is using your finger or a wet brush. I don't really like to use wet brushes anymore in the shimmers because I feel like it probably messes with the consistency or the formulation of the shimmer. So I try to use my fingers more than anything. Obviously, clean fingers, people. Don't put your dirty ass fingers in, you know, your products. So yeah, that's the only thing that's different for me, but I still really enjoyed this palette. So yeah, if you guys want to see the 4 looks that I created using the new Sunrise palette, then just keep on watching.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. baby. See, you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
So that was it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Which look was your favorite? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Please let me know down below. I would really like to know which one was your favorite. I hope you guys like these videos. I'm really having a lot of fun creating more than one look with one eyeshadow palette, just so you guys can see the variety of different looks that you can create instead of just one look. I mean, I'm still going to be doing those type of looks or like first impressions on other videos and stuff like that, but I really enjoy these type of videos, and I had really great feedback on the Norvina Volume 1 palette, so thank you guys so much for that. So these type of videos will definitely be staying on my channel and coming more often. Also, let me know down below if you are picking up the Sunrise palette or if you already have. I honestly think that this is a great buy during the VIB sale that should be coming up very soon, and the holidays are around the corner. Like, hello, Christmas. It's even red, so it's like even like saying by me. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe already if you haven't. I'm getting so close to 1K subscribers. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much. And also, I will leave all of my other social media links down below so you guys can follow me on there, and the rest of the details on my face will be listed down below as well. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I don't have anything else to say except I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.